Good morning, student. Today we are going to do the poem The Snake Trying by W. Ross. This is a beautiful poem written by Ross, and this poem is free of verse. There is no rhyme scheme, and the poet Ross, he is requesting to the public in this poem that we should not kill the snakes. And the poet, he belonged to Canada. He is Canadian poet, and he was a Canadian poet as well as a geophysicist. Geophysicist is a person who works for natural sciences, and he had written this poem beautifully. And in this small poem, in free verse, with unequal lines, the poet is making a request to the human beings to treat the snakes in a kind manners, and we should not kill the snakes to avoid being bitten. He says that sometimes the poet is telling us with the theme that prevention of cruelty towards animals. He's saying that we should not be cruel towards the animals, and we should develop the thought by requesting the people to maintain ecological balance also, and not to harm the species, especially the snakes. As he says, the snake trying to escape the pursuing stick with sudden curvings of thin long body, how beautiful and graceful are his shapes. Here the poet presents the snake not as ugly creatures or terrifying, or from whom we should feel afraid. Rather, he is saying that snakes are very beautiful, and he is showing us his graceful movements. The snake is chased by a man with a stick, and the man is trying to kill it, but the snake twists and turns. His body is slim and longer one. In order to avoid that pursuing stick, the attack which is going to be done on him, his movements make his body acquire various shapes, and the poet finds it very beautiful and charming. He says, he requests the human beings, he glides through the water away from the stroke, or let him go over the water into the reeds to hide without hurt. Small and green, he is harmless even to children. The poet is saying in these lines, Rose addresses the man who is chasing the snake with an intention of killing him with a stick. He says, he requests him that kindly allow this snake to escape to a safe place, because he is slithering into the water of the pond, so that he may go to the other side, other bank, where he may hide himself among the reeds. Reeds are the reeds are small plants on the sides of the pond, and the poet informs the man with the stick that this small and green snake is totally non-poisonous, non-venomous, because the green colored snakes are always less poisonous. So you please allow this snake to go from here safely. And now you can see the green colored snake is shown, it is harmless, and the word meanings are also given here, which are there in the stanza. So you can learn these vocabulary also, and try to read the poem silently, and if there is any problem we shall discuss in the live class also. And try to learn. And the poet, he wanted to instruct the human being that the innocent and harmless snake shouldn't be killed deliberately. So because human beings are afraid of snakes, and snakes are afraid of human beings. You can do this stanza, and rest part we shall do in the next video. Thank you.